people, welcome to Welcome Kids TV. So today's video is brought to you by UNicehair. They sent over this beautiful, I don't even know what color this is. It's technically blonde, but there's like gold rose gold, and like a grayish bluish like highlights going through it. I don't know if they're coming out on camera correctly, but I'll have all the information down below in the description box for those of you that are interested in the specs. But this hair is honestly a 10. I didn't bleach the knots. I had plucked it just a little bit, but it came pre-plucked. It came with like a natural widow's peak type situation, and it's super soft. Usually I have to use like a wax stick to like mold the hair down and make it flat so that the wig is not like bulky on my head, but I did not have to use a wax stick or a hot comb to mold it down. This is just like fresh out the box. I did run a flat iron over it, but you guys are gonna see in the actual installation, if I wanted to not flat iron it, I could have. It was just like bone straight, super soft, super silky, super flowy. And then I've never seen a color like this. So that's really what like took me by surprise. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be just a regular 613, but it's super cute and it's super different. Can you see the highlights in it? But this is what your wig is going to come in, this cute pink box, and it'll come in this bag. This actually has some of the specs on it right here. 13 by 4. You will get an edge band to melt your wig, which if you don't want to use glue, you don't have to. This was glueless. Yeah, yes ma'am, get into the glueless. And then we also have this to store the wig, handy dandy little silk bag. And then we have our gifts, which is their customized wig cap, a makeup brush, and lashes. And I feel like this is just, they always send these. They're super cute and convenient. They're super cute and convenient because you will need a makeup brush to, you know, add makeup to your lace if you choose to. But all we used was Spritz and Got To Be. And she is stuck. She's not going nowhere. As you see, I'm pulling on the wig. It's not going nowhere. So if you and your man like to get crazy, yeah. No, I'm just kidding, but seriously. But like I was saying, the wig is completely stuck to my head. No glue, no hot comb needed, no wax needed. All you need is some spritz and some Got To Be. It comes with an adjustable strap, so you can adjust it to how tight or loose you want it if you like it kind of snug in the back. But yeah, I didn't layer it. I didn't deep condition it. I literally took it out the box and put it on my head. This installation took like a good 10 minutes. And if you think I'm lying, watch the video. But if you'd like to see how we achieve this cute 613 highlighted glueless wig, then just keep watching.